seem right.
Hello, Betty.
Hello. Sing so you'll be all right.
Hello, Betty.
Hello. Sing and with all your might. It's good for ya. Well. Oh, for goodness sake. Please stop it. Why don't you buy your own newspaper? Getting off, please. Oh, am I glad to get out of this bus. The pests. This town is full of pests. That's all there is to it. Never saw anything like it. I started out all right, and here I am coming back again into the dark. The pests. If I were a judge, I'd have something to say, believe me. Wish they'd make me judge for a day, and I'd get a hold of all these pests and give them a lesson and teach them, and that's all. I wish I could do something about this situation, that's all. Oh, dear. Something should be done about those pests. If I had my way, I know what I'm gonna do. Oh, this is gonna be swell. I'm gonna like this. Order in the cart. Order in the cart. If I were judge for a day, I would make those pesky pesters pay and pay. I sent and sold backslappers to get sunburnt on the back, and then have all their friends come up and give them a whack. Horn blowers I punish this way, make them listen to a saxophone all day. For paper shoulder readers I pile papers up so high, then let someone turn the pages just to poke them in the eye. Now if I were judge I'd surely have my way. So public pests are on display. Have a laugh, it's free today.
Hiya, pal. 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 Hiya, pal.
The shadow. Ha ha.